In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. Welcome. If you're looking to connect your task management in ClickUp with real-time collaboration in Microsoft Teams, you're in the right place. This integration helps you cut down on context switching, keep conversations tied to tasks, and keep your whole team on the same page. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your ClickUp workspace. Your workspace is the home base for your spaces, folders, lists, and tasks, so make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. If your company manages permissions, you may need to be an owner or admin to add integrations. If you're not sure, a quick check with your admin can save time later. Once you're in, look to the extreme left side of your screen. Click the More option in the sidebar. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an ellipsis or an Apps option. This is the section where all available integrations live, so it's the single place to connect ClickUp with the tools you already use. Inside the Apps area, you'll see a catalog of integrations. This is how you can connect platforms like Microsoft Teams and more without leaving ClickUp. Find and select Microsoft Teams. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to locate it quickly. On the Microsoft Teams page, click Connect. This begins the secure authorization process. You'll be redirected to Microsoft's sign-in screen. Enter your Microsoft Teams credentials and then review any permission prompts. Approving these permissions allows ClickUp and Teams to share the information needed for the integration to work. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication or requires admin approval, just follow the prompts you see. That's normal and ensures your data stays protected. After you complete sign-in, you'll be taken back to ClickUp with the integration connected. If you don't see confirmation right away, give the page a quick refresh. From here, you can start taking advantage of the connection. Things like surfacing ClickUp updates in Teams and keeping tasks close to your conversations, so your team can move faster with fewer tabs. And that's it. You now know exactly how to integrate Microsoft Teams with ClickUp. Sign into your workspace, open More on the far left, head into Apps, choose Microsoft Teams, click Connect, and finish by signing in with your Microsoft account. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.